Hi, I am Vigneshwari. I am from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. I have completed a certificate course in interior design at Explore Education, Dubai. I want to share my experience as I have gained a lot of valuable skill in AutoCAD, 3D modeling, rendering, Lumion, and video animation. I created a portfolio that was valuable for my professional career. It was a great learning environment and my faculty was very helpful in improving my skills. I has helped with me my future projects. Once again, I thanks to my faculty and all staffs. Those who are looking interior design course, I would highly recommend it. Explore Education Institute Dubai.